Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today we're going to be changing out our blinds with these 2-inch faux wood blinds. These are cordless lifts, which means you can just push up and they lift. Blinds we have here are all junk, broken up. And so the first thing in removing your blinds is trying to figure out what you got to do. These ones just happen to be, they have a little clip. So you just pull that clip up there. There's one over here on this side. Get that pulled up. And then this whole thing just slides right out. You pull the whole thing out and they come right down just like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove our hardware, get these unboxed, get all these down, and then we're gonna get the new ones put up. I'm gonna call in my beautiful assistant here to help me. All right, so inside of our box here, we have our wand, and then we have our actual blinds. They're all in there. There's some pieces in here. These look like they are some kind of guards that we could probably use. That's our wand. Inside of this little box, we have our two brackets. These are our mounting brackets, and then all the hardware that needs to come with those. So they give you some different options depending on what your setup's like. If you need to do this in drywall, anchors are provided. There's some plastic clips, all your screws that you need, some other clips. And then these are the actual, similar to the ones we just took off. The ones I had up there were grimy, so I got these new ones to put on. I could have reused what I had up there, but these ones are much cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and use those. And then you got a little bracket that covers the front. It'll cover the top part of this if you want, or you could leave it bare. It's up to you, but you have both options there. So each of these blinds is exactly the same. I got a link down below to Amazon. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, these are for the ends. So if you want some end pieces around the corners, got those as well. And that is all the different pieces that come inside. So depending on the blinds you're buying, you have different sizes, but they're all going to be the same. They all function the same. They're just different widths and lengths.
All right, so now we're going to get started. We did our main bay window just for practice, make sure we knew what we were doing. So this is all set and ready to go. Looks good, everything works good. Now we're gonna move on to our two side windows. If you're wondering how you measure your windows to see that you get the correct measurement of blinds, you measure inside to outside and top to bottom. So these are 22.5 by 60, and they are the Snow White faux blinds. So we have two side windows to do. Let's get started. Right over here, we're going to use 4 screws. We have 2 outer brackets. Now it does come with a middle bracket, but we're not going to use it just because we have such a small area to work with. And I actually pre-drilled the holes on each side, so it's a little bit easier to put the brackets in. All right, so let's grab 2 screws. And pray I don't fall. All right, so when you're putting your bracket in, where'd you go? When you're putting your bracket in, you want to put it in this way so that the door shuts down. And I'm gonna get started with 1 screw first. Gonna go ahead and get that started, get the next one going, and then I will tighten them up. I'm actually gonna switch hands. Sorry, not left-handed. Trying to do it backwards here. There we go. Got it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this one up. Woo, like a glove. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our blinds on. So you wanna make sure when you're putting the blinds on that you have your right here for the one to go. You don't want to put that part in the back, obviously, so just make sure you're putting the front on, front and the back, or the back and the back, front and the front. Okay, it just slides right in there, and then you're gonna latch these down just like that. All right, so it looks like there's two like little levers here, two latches that maybe these need to get popped up a little bit more. And I bet you it like clicks in. Let's see. There we go. Did you hear that click?
Sure did.
If you didn't, click. All right, now we'll put the top of our blinds on.
The valance.
The valance, thank you. The thicker part goes on the top. On the back here, we have two clips that just pop right in. I'll show you. Very easy. Put the bottom part in first, and then it just pops right in. I'm going to slide these down to make them even. Okay. And then this part will just, can you see that? Mm-hmm. We'll just hook right onto the top of the blind here. All right. Just like so. Ooh. All right. And
wow.
We're going to pull our blind down. Oh, walk out of the way. And I'll show you. And now, wow. Why is this like this? Wow, that is a beautiful thing. Just like that. All right, and that is it. So we're gonna go ahead and do the last window on our own without you guys. But if you like this, there's a link down below where you can purchase. Don't forget to click and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.